you curious about document authorizations in HxGN EAM? Then you are in the right place. My name is Rebecca, and in this video, I will provide an overview of document authorizations. Released in version 12.2, document authorizations allow administrators to control permissions for viewing, inserting, updating, and deleting uploaded documents within HxGN EAM based on the document class. This functionality is controlled by an install parameter, DOCUAUTH. By default, this install parameter is set to no, but if set to yes, then user group document authorizations is active. Let's take a closer look at how this functionality works. On the user group screen, a Document Authorizations tab was added in version 12.2. Please note, you may need to make this tab available via user group screen permissions. As you can see, our R5 admin user group has full access to all document classes. Let's review a short list of uploaded documents. Since I am logged in as an R5 admin, I have access to documents in the various classes. Additionally, I have access to documents where no class is defined, such as this spec sheet. Let's see this from another viewpoint. Since I have access to the purchasing class, if I go to the supplier screen Documents tab, or view the preview off to the right-hand side, you'll notice that I do have access to the supplier agreement for Grainger because that document is associated with the purchasing class. Now let's set up the user group document authorizations for our maintenance technicians. Our maintenance technicians primarily work with equipment, work orders, and part issues. As such, they only need view access to the equipment manuals. To grant view-only access, simply add the class, but leave the other checkboxes unchecked. Next, I will log in as a maintenance technician. I am now logged in as a maintenance technician. As you can see on my screen, I do not have access to the supplier agreement for Grainger. The reason for this is that the supplier agreement is associated with the purchasing class, which my user group does not have authorizations for. Let's see if I have access to the equipment manual. For this asset, I have access to the Danby manual, which is associated with the manual class, as well as the spec sheet, which we saw previously does not have a class associated with it. If you're interested in document authorizations, I encourage you to explore this functionality in a non-production environment, and feel free to share any lessons learned in the comments below. Thank you.